Landed na sila 30 minutes ago. Balita ko, mga naka-ano pa to eh. Mga naka-short pa. Kaya may dala kami yung jacket. Siyempre, galing Pinas. Ito, may aso po. Ang cute eh. May problema pa tayo mga amigos. Yung isang maleta lang na Wesley nawawala. So, hindi natin alam kung saan nawala yun. So, kailangan pa rin lang i-file ng report. Tama ko yung tatay ni Ongko. Waiting muna tayo kung ano magiging result. Nangyari mga amigos, yung luggage na iwan pala sa Istanbul. Ewan ko kung ano laman ng luggage, hindi ko natanong. Pero, i-deliver na lang daw bukas. He's vlogging. Yeah! Hey, yo! May vlogger, oh? There's a vlogger. How are you, man? Good, good. Say hi. Say to the fans. What happened to the...
Between you two, there's always something.
Hey, come. To be on the vlog also. Ayan, oh. Yeah.
It's not working.
It's not working. It's not recording.
It's like I said, it's difficult to.
Yeah, you should upload one. You
Respect
see?
for this man. Respect for this man.
It takes time, you know?
Yeah.
Really takes time and hard work also. Patience. So what's inside the luggage?
All my stuff,
Like,
my clothes,
what else? Nothing important. All clothes.
Marcus.
That's an important thing.
Get the day job.
All right.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, you're gonna
you
meenemen.
go to our place.
What's that?
I'm taking.
What are you getting?
Taking this one.
Je kan op zich wel als je het is.
See you soon, man.
See you.
Nou we gaan.
Bye bye.
Thanks for everything.
Good night.
Yeah. We see you soon.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Uwian na. Ang bag ni Wesley parang may bato eh. Ang bigat eh.